I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Narito na nga guys ang behind the scene ng ASAP in California na kung saan ito nga ay video kasama itong si Mr. Gary V kasama si Donnie Pangilinan at talaga namang itong si Belle ay katsikahan pa nga itong si Keanu sa likuran. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video.
Good morning, Donnie. Here we are. 12,000 people.
Sold out now?
Yeah, it is.
Wow, look at this.
We are sold out indeed, and that means from here until way out there, it's all going to be people. It's huge.
8,500, you know,
12.
What?
This
I
can take
don't know.
12. Yeah, because now they even covered the courts. So that's, yeah, 12,000. Pag walang court daw, kasi
Well, we're sold out.
We're sold out.
We're sold out. So 12?
12.
Oh, I heard 8.
Ah, really?
Sabi ni Piolo, 8.5.
Dahil ngayong araw nga guys ay talagang mapapanood nga natin sa ASAP natin to ang ASAP in California Part 1 na talagang abangers nga rin ng maraming bubblies dito dahil marami pa talaga tayong makikita patungkol sa ating Donnie at Belle na ayuda. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update kila Donnie at Belle sa mga susunod pa na ayuda.